Hey guys, it's Mark, and in today's piece, we're going to go over some questions to ask before joining a team. We've had a number of candidates come in over the years, and of course, those interviews are ended with the question, do you have any questions? And that's often met with a bit of a blank stare sometimes, so we've highlighted a couple of questions that we think are key for anyone to ask before joining. Right, so first off, let's find out how much recent personal sales experience does the team leader have in selling homes? There's a bit of a trend in the industry today where the team leaders of many teams either haven't sold homes in a long time or in some cases have never sold homes. So I would want to know, does at least the team leader or my direct contact have some recent personal experience? All right. Number two, what coaching and training experience, now get this, outside of the team, does my coach or trainer have on this team? Okay. Very often what happens is the coach or trainer on a team is simply an agent that didn't cut it in the field, and then they put them in the coaches and training position. And as they say, if you can't do, teach. So let's find out a little bit more about that piece. Number three, can you show me a training schedule, right? Is there a structure to this training? Is it what am I going to be doing each day? Are these the things that are really going to get me prepared for doing my job out in the field? I'd like to see this schedule, okay? Point number four. Hey, when I've got questions about my business, who's going to be my point of contact? All right. What are their qualifications? How available are they going to be? We want to know about the caliber of individual that I'm going to be going to for questions, or is this somebody that also just got their license a year ago? All right, let's find out what's going on with who my direct point of contact is going to be for these questions and how qualified they are to answer them. All right, point number five. All right, what kind of daily accountability do you offer? And I want to emphasize the word daily. Right, this is a tough business, guys. And through all the ups and downs, we're going to need somebody that we can rely on to hold us accountable to our plan, right? And when we're tempted to get off track, to get us right back on so we can do our job, all right? Point number six, super important. What kind of administrative support do you offer? Guys, if there is not a full operations team on the team that you are considering, you may consider another direction. Super important, right? That we've got that staff there to handle all the things administrative so that we can go out and do our job, go out and sell some homes. All right. Last point, number seven. Hey, how many leads am I going to get? All right. We all want to know this. Where are they coming from? Let's find out another fact. What's the conversion rate of these leads on the existing team? Right? Does the person that you're interviewing with even know these numbers? All right. We really need to know what the depth and the quality of the education, the administrative support, and the leads that we're going to be getting, right? Because ultimately, without those things, there really wouldn't be any reason to join the team. All right. So hope this helps, guys. I wish you the best on your quest for a great team to join, and we hope that it's ours.